Hey guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. I share videos related to art and creativity on this channel, and if you're interested in it, do consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, about today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 different paintings which are this quick to make. It is made by just one single color. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
Okay, so to begin with, I'm using these 300 GSM watercolor paper and masking it with some paper tape. I want to make Polaroid paintings, so I've taken the size accordingly. It is A6 size, and you can either use gouache colors or watercolors. I'm using gouache, but watercolor fits well for this. Since I'm making a monochrome painting which is using only a single color, which is blue color, I've wetted the entire paper with water first and then started to paint it. Initially, you go from lighter to darker shade. The way you achieve lighter shade is mixing more water with the blue color, and once the base coat is dried, you can give another coat. That is the simple basic technique for monochrome painting. Darker the shade, less is the water in it. Lighter the shade, more is the water content in the color. So, yes, every design achieved is in the similar way. So here to create some effect of water, I'm using dry brush and dry paint. So yeah, there you go. Without using any other color, you get such an amazing painting already. The only thing here which needs a lot of patience is you have to wait for the lower layer to dry completely before giving another layer. And ta-da, the painting is all ready. Just clearing the edges with some white paint because the water has leaked out. Okay, for the next painting, again wetting the surface of the paper with water and just dabbing the colors, blue color, waiting for the underneath layer to dry, and then repeating the step again from lighter to darker shade. Once the colors beneath are dried, making some towers, buildings to give it a city feel. Drizzling some white color with the help of toothbrush for the starry effect. And there you go. You might have noticed that the basic technique for the monochrome painting is the same. Once you get the technique, you can create n number of paintings with it, with your ideas. And one more thing is, whenever you feel that you want a lighter shade, you can always tap some tissue paper over it, so the color will automatically fade away. And just hit the creative side of your brain and make as many paintings as possible with this beautiful monochrome technique. I am totally in love with the technique of this monochrome painting. Also, it is quick to make, and the results, that is the end painting, turns out to be beautiful. And you can also try it with many other colors. So yeah, it is like playing with the colors with only a single color. I've been posting these paintings since few days on my Instagram account. So if you have not followed my account, go and follow me on Instagram. The link for the same will be given in the description box below. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed to it. And also hit the bell icon if you have already subscribed to the channel. This painting is quite unique. I'm trying to make a forest here. So basically I make all the lines of the trees with a lighter shade, and then I'll add a darker shade to the lines in alternate fashion, as you can see in the video, and it really looks very pretty. Okay, this is one of my favorite paintings. So the base remains the same as before, but here I am drawing a lady. So the base coat is in the lighter blue, so that is mixing more water with it, and then adding layers, darker layers of blue to give it a beautiful effect, to give the dress a beautiful effect. So I loved it a lot. I did hang all these paintings on my wall in this manner and it looks really pretty.
Okay, if you like my ideas and the paintings, hit the like button below. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with new videos. And until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care.